Hello guys, it's Jimmy and today I'm back with another banger. And today I'm finna go over a quick review of how to remove your tag light on a 2013 Ford Transit van. And the first few things I went on ahead and did. This is gonna be a simple job, so guys just go along. So I went on ahead and removed all of these things and moved this back panel right here. You can go ahead and use a flathead screwdriver and get right along there and go ahead and pop those out. And when I got popped those out, I went on ahead and reached up in there, and right up in here, as you guys can see right here, I had this little thingy. And what I went on ahead and did, I squeezed those two tabs on the side and I popped it out. And once I went on ahead and popped it out, I took a little let me get you guys some light. I took a little razor and I got right up in between here, and I went on ahead and popped it loose like that. And when I popped it loose, I have access to the light. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you guys later.